Ever wondered how factories predict equipment failures before they happen and save millions? The secret's in the fusion of IIoT and AI. Predictive maintenance is no longer just reactive. It's now proactive and smart, thanks to the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, combined with artificial intelligence. Imagine thousands of industrial machines fitted with sensors that continuously send data, temperature, vibration, pressure, to a central system. This massive flow of data is where AI steps in. Using advanced machine learning algorithms and real-time analytics, AI models analyze patterns and detect anomalies that humans might never notice. These systems can predict when a part is likely to fail, sometimes months in advance, allowing maintenance teams to act early and avoid costly downtime. The market for predictive maintenance is booming, valued at over $5 billion and growing rapidly as industries seek to minimize unplanned outages that can cost over $100,000 per hour. Modern solutions use a blend of techniques like deep reinforcement learning to adapt to changing industrial conditions, random forests to classify faults precisely, and gradient boosting methods to improve prediction accuracy. What's more, these AI-driven systems integrate seamlessly with existing maintenance workflows and enterprise platforms, providing alerts and recommended actions right when they're needed. This transformation not only extends machinery life and improves safety, but also drives operational efficiency and competitiveness. As IIoT networks evolve with more powerful edge computing and 5G connectivity, the future promises even faster, more accurate predictive capabilities, making smart, automated industrial maintenance the new standard. What's the biggest benefit you see in AI-powered predictive maintenance? Share your thoughts and subscribe for more tech insights.